Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Changing your email on Facebook is super easy and only takes a few minutes. Step 1. Open Facebook and log into your account using your current email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll see your home feed with all your posts and updates from friends. Step 2. Look for the menu icon, which is usually 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of your screen. Click on that icon to open the main menu where you'll find all your account settings. Step 3. Scroll down through the menu options until you find Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. This will take you to your account settings page where you can manage everything about your profile. Step 4. In the Settings page, look for the Personal Information section on the left sidebar. Click on that to expand your personal details and account options. Step 5. Find the email field where your current email address is displayed. Click the Edit button next to it, then type in your new email address carefully. After you enter the new email, click the Save Changes button. Facebook will send a confirmation link to your new email address, so check your inbox and click that link to complete the process. Your email has now been successfully updated on your Facebook account.